So I have this cube like this, which basically it does is it animates in this 360-degree for 5 seconds. So around here I have, it goes from 0 to 360 in 5 seconds. This is the timeline, move cube, and when it finishes it does this stuff. So if I play now, you could say this is what it's doing. It's taking 5 seconds. So whenever you create something like a timeline, right now I've named it move cube, it will create a component like this. So in your components it would create like this. So let's say if I create a timeline and then create something like start, you would say it says start. So in the begin play, because I only want to set the play rate once, I can go into the move cube and do just set play rate like this. And play rate basically means that if you do 1, it would be same because it's the same speed. 2 would be twice the speed. So if I compile now, it's twice the speed. If I do, let's say something like 10, then it would be 10 times the speed. If I do 0.5, it would be half the speed. And it's usually good to make this one be like 0 to 1. So instead of time as 5, I could just make it 1 second, because that makes it better for play rate stuff. So always keep it 0 to 1, because then you would have like much more control. So for example, if I do like right now it takes 1 second to spin, right? So I can just say that 0.5. So now it will take 2 seconds. So if you keep it 0 to 1, you have more controls, and obviously you could promote this to a variable, to instance editable, and then if you go in here you would have that option. So maybe you play this. Can I change it in runtime? No, I cannot. So if I do 10, again 10 speed. Yeah, that's all.